I spent all day at the beach yesterday filming this, and I feel like this is one of my most hardest worked on videos, so...
Just like my watch now. Hey, this for the people that said I can rap, have to do it for y'all like I'm Little Duval. I just smoke off in the air, I might just blow off some steam. Hey.
What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I've been on YouTube for the past 10 years, no. I've been on YouTube now for the past like 8 years. If there's one thing you guys know me for, it's the cinematic element to my videos. If I do say so myself. Through every YouTube video I have ever uploaded, I have been so incredibly passionate about cinematography, color grading, lighting, lenses, camera gear, audio quality. I won't even upload a YouTube video if the audio quality is like trash. This is gonna get some bitches mad. Name one other YouTuber that was uploading travel content of girls in bikinis to EDM future bass music with teal and orange color grading in 2013. Name one, and I will shut up. It looks to me like I was kind of the pioneer to travel video. No, I'm just kidding. I don't think I invented travel videos. I just like to ruffle people's feathers because I'm in the travel like world. I will tell you from personal experience, these boys with their little glide cams and their little Premiere Pro subscriptions, they literally think that they are God. They think that they're like the smartest filmmaker on the planet. And I just like to ruffle their feathers sometimes and let them know that a girl was doing it before them. What I was creating wasn't good. Let's get that clear. I was already exploiting my body in bikinis at the beach before all those on Instagram did it. Today's video, I'm going to be not only reacting to my very first travel video, but I'm going to be recreating it. I'm from Orange County and I filmed my very first travel videos in Huntington Beach. I lived super close to it and it was the only like tropical place I could afford to travel to. So I would go to Huntington Beach, I'd go to Laguna Beach, and I'd film these aesthetic videos. This video is so cringy, I just know it's going to be so bad. Keep in mind, this was my first couple months on YouTube. Here we go. Okay. Pause. You will see in a lot of my old travel videos shots that are completely out of focus. At the time, there was a really popular trend where you would rack focus. It was like the coolest thing that us YouTubers figured out how to do. I overused it way too much. But the thing was, I never racked into focus. I just racked more out of focus. I don't know why it wasn't clicking in my head that you have to rack into focus. That was an artistic choice. Let me just talk about this color grading. There's a preset called like literally it's called teal and orange. I would put that on every single clip and I would turn it down to like 50%, maybe like 80%, I don't know. And it's so funny because there's now the like joke, you know, of like teal and orange tones, like teal and orange. Teal and orange. I think I just used this preset because I was looking for presets and I didn't know how to color grade at the time. That was the only color preset on the editing software that would make the videos look better than, I don't know, teal and orange. Not the penny board. Not the knockoff penny board. It wasn't even a real penny board. That's so embarrassing. I mean, it was a time when penny boards were like really cool, but nowadays... Not the flower crown. It was a different time back then, okay? And the freaking sleeveless t-shirt, like what is this outfit? Whatever. Not the double split, not the mirroring of the video footage. I have a good time. No more playing around, but now's the time. Not me racking focus into a random man's abs without him even knowing I was doing that. Not me exploiting men before the men came in and exploited us for their travel videos. Not me exploiting the men. And then immediately going and exploiting myself. I was a child. Look at how small I was. I was an infant. Look at that weave flowing. Now's the time to cross the line. Not me speaking in not me terms. Not me stripping in the middle of the US Open. Do you guys know what the US Open is? It is crusty. The US Open of surfing is this like giant competition festival type of thing. It's held in Huntington Beach. I used to beg my parents to let me go to the US Open. They would Sharpie on their stomach, like free hugs, free kisses. If you've been to the US Open, please comment down below. I have to know if any of you guys have experienced it. This was a really busy spot. And here I am just stripping naked into my Target bikini top and bottoms and my flower crown and my sew and weave just in the middle of the whole beach. Is there, wait, hold on. Is there a guy dying in the background right there? Oh well. Not the green boxes. My editing software used to do this green box thing, and I think it meant that the footage like didn't render properly, but I used to have green boxes flashing like all throughout my YouTube videos because, I mean, it was my first year on YouTube, guys. Give me a break. No! I need to stop saying not me, because that's not me. Is the fact that I put my sunglasses on so slowly, like I'm Vin Diesel in Fast and the Furious. What was the reason for me wearing my sunglasses like that? What was the reason for me? This black t-shirt from Brandy Melville. I can't believe I still don't own it. I loved that shirt so much because I was really insecure about my shoulders. I always had like really manly shoulders and my waist was always like really small. No, but I looked like a tortilla chip because my waist was small and my shoulders were broad. And I looked like one of those bodybuilders that have like the Dorito body, you know, how it's like a triangle shape. Apparently girls are attracted to the triangle shape, by the way, in case you didn't know. I'm not. I like the Pop-Tart shape, you know, when a guy's like a rectangle body. It was my shirt that I felt the most confident in. If there's one thing I always really cared about, that would be the timing of the cuts of each shot. Even though everything else was pretty terrible, I was hitting those beats. I was staying on the beats of the song. I think that's why I became a music producer. If you go back on any of my old videos, you'll find like crazy dubstep music or like remixes I would put together for like 45-second intros to like a school lunch video. The trash on the floor. We have what looks to be, is that like a voting, like an I voted sticker? And then like a lolly, a crumpled piece of newspaper, a cup lid and a straw. That is gross. Waist was snatched though. Waist was snatched. Waist on thinner. I don't know why my nose looks huge in this video. I did not get a nose job, guys. This is my nose, okay? It looks like I contoured my nose, but I contoured it like starting on the far outsides. Little Ava, let's give her a pass, okay? She didn't know what she was doing. Can we just talk about the edges? My edges were fried. I have no... That is something that has changed a lot because I have edges now. Look at them edges. Stiff wear. Stiff wear. I remember I got this dress. It was the most risque item I had ever owned at this time. I remember I wore this dress and I felt so uncomfortable because I was not an edgy person at the time. Because it was edgy. There was like skulls. The whole middle was like just nothing. I felt really scandalous in this outfit. The fact that I put the MyLifeAsEva title at the end of that, I really thought I was like doing something. I'm embarrassed. Let's read the comments, okay? Ah, the editing on this is amazing, Ava. You're the best. Ava, getting the boys. What can I say? Even when I looked like that, I was pulling them boys. You should be a model. Loved the vid. Little Ava really thought she was a model because you have to be really confident to edit 4 minutes of yourself looking like that and upload it to the internet confidently. Before I start this video, why does she say that you should watch the video with headphones? Because headphones enhance the viewing experience. Everyone knows that surround sound does. On that note, I'm going to pack up all my camera gear, head down to Main Street where we filmed that exact cringy video, and we're gonna film it again, and hopefully it's going to be better. Obviously, a lot has changed in the last couple years when it comes to my editing software, my filming equipment, my camera gear. I got a boob job. I'm going to link in the description box below all of the stuff that I used to create the video you're about to see, and just the stuff that I've been using lately to create my YouTube videos. Let's film this, shall we? I didn't get ready for nothing.
Come on over if you wanna have a good time. No more playing around, but now's the time to cross the line. Show me what's inside that soul, I'll let you feel mine. Come on, they said our mind and bodies intertwined. I take the weight on my shoulders. As I feel the sky come down on me, and I can't hold it much longer. And let them so I can be free.
La primera vez que te veía, supe que era la mujer para mí. Nunca tuve ni una duda, no. Y ahora vos tenés mi corazón. Dale, nena, contame lo que te gusta de mí. Dale, nena, mostrame lo que te hace feliz.